It's Mr. P. I'm just doing the tricks to the trade today. This lesson is about tricks for multiplying with decimals with powers of 10. It's some real cool tricks. So let me show you those. So 5.3, this is still 5.3 for all you Math 020 listeners or pre-algebra. Decimal multiplication with powers of 10 though. So it's that you multiplying decimals, you powers of 10 only. So for big powers of 10, you're gonna move the decimal place to the right in the right direction. And so the decimal point is gonna move this way, right? For small powers of 10, you're gonna move back the other way. So that means you'll be going to the left. So you'll be moving back this way. So for big powers of 10, you're gonna be moving to the right. You're gonna move the decimal point on the 9 power of 10 number, right? And so when the instructions be given, it says multiply these two numbers. Clearly, you know which one is not the power of 10. The 9 power of 10 is this number, right? Power of 10 here is, of course, 10 grand because, you know, it's 10 with 4 zeros. It's 1 with 4 zeros behind it. That's 10,000. That's a power of 10 because it's 10,000. So what we do is, well, bigger powers of 10 moves the decimal place to the right. But you first got to count how many zeros in this number. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how many places you're going to move this number to the right. That's what this stuff up here is saying. So you're going to look at the 9 power of 10, and that means we're going to make the number bigger. So we're going to start with a decimal point and move 4 places to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically the number becomes 3,200, right? So our focus really, when we multiply by powers of 10, by bigger powers of 10 makes the number bigger. Smaller than the powers of 10 is going to make it smaller, and that's what we're going to find out now. So with small powers of 10, we're going to move the decimal point to the left, which makes the number smaller, right? So we're going to move the decimal place to the left on the 9 power of 10. So now we have this problem where we got to multiply these two numbers. So that's negative 0.52 times 1,000. Now, we know we got to remember our rules. We got to take that in our pocket. If it's a negative times a positive, the answer is negative, right? So at the end, it's going to be a negative, right? And so that means, we're going to write the 9 power of 10 just like it is with the decimal point here. We're going to write it just with the decimal point here. So now,